of us like to enjoy the retirement life with a happily, peacefully, stress-free life. The financial freedom help you to take care of the retirement life. It plays a vital role in the retirement life. If you are making any small mistakes, it will lead to failures, it will spoil your happiness. If you're looking at the long-term perspective, how you are going to handle it? Once your active income stopped, if you are not making any proper planning, it will lead to the various problems. In general, people are making common three mistakes. Number one, dependency. If the person depending on the single source of income like pension or any other investment income, if the fixed income is not aligned with the inflation, your purchasing power will reduce. After retirement life, the expenses will be very high. The cost of living will be very high. If your fixed income, if you are not aligned, you have to face negative cash flow. So for that, you have to create another source of income wherever possible. You have to create it. Number two, wrong allocation. Whenever you are exposing your retirement money, when you are exposing your corporate money, the people will approach you for the higher rate of interest. The higher rate of interest, it's always risk. If you are going for the money lenders or any other persons for the high rate of interest, your principal itself under risk. In your retirement life, your principal is very important than your interest. You have to take the calculated risk. But retirement life, you do not have any chance to take the risk. You have to take very cautiously place deploying the fund. You have to take the returns to take care of your future. It will help you to improve your cash flow statement. Number three, risk factor. Health is wealth. After retirement life, there could be a lot of medical expenses. Are you ready for that? If you are going for a hospital, you have to spend a lot of money. For that, we have to adequately cover the insurance plan. People are having the tendency, the insurance not supporting, or if the premium is very high, the small premium amount help you to save. You have to get some satisfaction level. You have to solve the most of the financial problems. After retirement life, there is lot of exclusion. That means after 60, lot of inclusion for the diseases. In order to avoid this, you can take the insurance above the age of 50 itself. Every year you can make the payment. If you are making the payment for the more than 5 years, 6 years, all the diseases will cover. If any problems, any negative things comes, you can easily manage. The insurance will take care of that. And whenever, wherever required, you have to get the financial advisor and take care of your funds. These are the three mistakes, common mistakes people are making. Your income, the source of income, not aligned with your inflation, wrong allocation of your fund, and you are not adequately covering the insurance will lead to the various problems. You have to avoid these kind of three mistakes, then you will be happily and enjoy your life.